Shawn and Kyle. My name is Moira, and I want to know the difference between a buyer's market and a seller's market.
Hey y'all, welcome back. My name's Shawn.
And I'm Kyle.
And each week we're here to unlock another mystery of real estate.
And remember, not only are we doing these videos to provide value for you.
Nope, we're doing it to drum up business for us. Because we're active real estate agents in the Atlanta market, we want you to hire us. We also want you to trust us to find you an agent nationwide. And finally, we want you to like us. Please like us. And if you do, click like, subscribe, share, comment, tell your friends.
That's right.
That's right.
Hey, y'all.
Hey.
Well, this week's question came to us from Moira, and she wants to know what is the difference between a buyer's market and a seller's market.
I thought Moira was from New York. Well, we picked Moira's question because it is a hot seller's market here in Atlanta and nationwide. And we thought the best way to illustrate that was to go outside and hop on a teeter-totter.
Or a seesaw.
Teeter-totter.
Seesaw.
What'd you call it?
Seesaw.
A seesaw.
Seesaw.
Anyway, it turns out teeter-totters or
Seesaw.
aren't that common anymore. So I thought we would use my Native American flute to have Kyle illustrate, like a Price is Right girl, the difference between a buyer's market, a normal market, and a seller's market.
So this is a teeter-totter for chihuahuas. So, and it's in this position right here, this is balance in the market. So on this side you have an equal number of available homes for sale, and over here you have an equal number of active buyers in the market. Now, when we're in a seller's market, up here we will have the number of available homes to sell is very low. And then down here you have a ton of buyers kind of holding down the market. They all want that one home. Whereas on the flip side, in a buyer's market, you have very, very few buyers up here, but you have a whole lot of homes that are just like wanting a new buyer. So it gets kind of confusing.
It is confusing. And did you even know that there was a difference between a buyer's market or a seller's market or a balanced market? Kyle, what's your favorite kind of market, buyers or sellers?
Well, honestly, it just depends. Like, if I was wanting to buy or sell a home. If I needed to sell a home, I would absolutely want to do it in a seller's market. But if I needed to buy a home, I would really want to do that in a buyer's market.
At the time of this taping, as I said earlier, it's a seller's market, both here in Atlanta and nationwide. That means there are multiple offers being had on one property, and it's super competitive. It's the age-old saying of supply and demand.
I mean, exactly. Like, for example, here in Atlanta, let's just say Mr. Smith lists his house for sale for $500,000, and he receives 20 offers within 24 hours.
20 offers. This is not exaggerating. This is what's happening in Atlanta right now. 20 offers in 24 hours on one house. Who wins?
Well, some of these buyers are even offering $50,000 more than the list price, as well as no inspection contingencies. It's an all-cash deal. They want to close in 2 weeks, and they still did not get the house. They missed out on it.
And if you think about it, when you're out looking for a house and you find the house of your dreams, you're emotionally attached. You write an offer, you're competing with 19 other people to buy the house, and you still don't get it. This is a seller's market. That means when you do the next offer on the next house, you're gonna do some crazy things to make sure that you actually get it. That's what creates a seller's market. Now, conversely, is a buyer's market. In a buyer's market, there's very few buyers and lots of sellers, lots of homes on the market. So sellers do crazy things to get your business and to have you buy their house.
And during this special offer, you'll also get our special cutting board, knife holder, and cleaning cloth with special come-on cleaning solution.
This is amazing!
You'll also get the mixing bowl set, an inflatable chair, glow sticks, a shower caddy, fridge magnets, an ironing board, an electronic Sudoku puzzle generator, language translator, mouse pad, and a mascot outfit. And we're doubling the offer.
Thank you for that.
Well, like Kyle said, they may be willing to do that, but you have to understand what type of market you're in. You're busy living your life. You have a full-time job. You need a licensed real estate professional that does this full-time. Are you in a balanced market? Are you in a seller's market? Are you in a buyer's market? It's important for you to know so that you know who has the power position, because at the end of the day, they're not going to give you anything. You have to ask for it. And then with confidence, because you know the market, you know whether or not you deserve it.
So if you can buy your house in a buyer's market and sell your house in a seller's market, if you can do that, then congratulations.
Congratulations, you're number one.
You basically bought your house when they were giving away houses, and you sold your house when people were overpaying for it. That is how you make the most money in real estate.
So Moira, in answer to your question, what is the difference between a buyer's market and a seller's market? It's really supply and demand. Now, there are other factors. There's interest rates, and there's pandemics, and there's all kinds of crazy stuff that impact the market.
And now that you know that difference between a buyer's market and a seller's market, be sure to tune in to us next week as we learn how to write an offer depending on the type of market you're in.
Yeah, and tune in with us every Wednesday, 1 o'clock, as these real estate detectives unlock another mystery of real estate.
And don't forget, not only are we the Alexa and Google of real estate,
She's Alexa.
and she's Google, but we would also like to be your dream team.
That's right. Your dream, this team. We specialize in single-family homes and TLC. That's Townhomes, Lofts, and Condos.
And as always, tender love and care. Aww.
Hey y'all, thanks for watching our videos. If you want to buy or sell real estate in the in-town Atlanta market, we want to be your trusted advisors. And if you live anywhere else in the United States and want to be connected to a full-time licensed real estate professional in your area, we can help with that too, and at no cost to you. I'm a poet, didn't know it. Anyway, connect with us on our website at yourrealestatedetectives.com.
In fact, be sure to follow us on all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, at The Real Estate Detectives. And finally, we want you to like us.
Like us!
So if you found value in these videos, make sure to like, subscribe, share with a friend.
That's right!
Hey y'all.
Hey!
We'll see you next week.
See you next week.